Uttanasana. Extend the arms. Interlock fingers behind. Extend the arms. Change of interlock. Roll your shoulders. Extend the arms. Release. We will go for Adhomukha-vrksasana. So you can place yourself close to the wall. We'll jump up. One leg forward, one leg backward. And from here, we'll go on swinging. Your side visit first. So one leg forward, one leg straight at the back. Shift the weight on your hands. And the straight leg at the back, we have to swing, swing, swing it harder and push with the bottom foot. Swing this leg harder, push with the bottom foot. So we'll go for 6 jumps on the same side. Those who are able to go up to the final pose will get there. But those who struggle with one leg, the leg which you struggle with, attempt that first. Okay, so if it's your right leg which can help you jump up, get the left leg straight at the back first, and then try and jump with that. Go for 6 attempts on the same side. Okay, so we'll start with the side which we find it difficult to jump with. And keeping the weight on the arms, keeping the arms straight, go for that stronger swing of the straight leg there. Strong swing and a strong push with the bottom foot. Simultaneously should help us go up into the pose. Lift up tall and then come down. Go up, lift up tall and then come down. Okay, 6 times. We will have one more attempt, fewer counts. You can decide how many times you can jump up now. But as you jump, each time you go up, see that you're able to lift your legs up. Still be here. So as I go up, as I jump up, usually this is where if I jump and go back, the buttock tends to drop backwards. So each time I jump up, I have to bring the top buttock away from the lumbar, and the heels, with the reference of the wall, the heels have to lift as high as possible. Okay? So going higher, going taller, that's when we'll bring the leg down. As we go up, try to be taller over there. Let the heels go further high up on the wall, and then you come down from there. Okay, so those who are able to jump up, those who know you can get into the pose, that is no longer a challenge. Try and achieve that lift. Try and go for that tallest possible connect with the wall. Okay, the heels have to go as high as possible, lift up further, and then come down. And for that, your back needs to be involved. Could be 2 or 3 attempts, whatever you can manage. Try that. Sharper lift in the back. You'll have to lift the front thighs. You'll have to get a good lift from the lower abdomen, front thighs. And even the back will have to be tall.